Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Spocket account. But before we get started, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to start your own online store? If so, then you're in the right place. Spocket is a great platform that makes it easy to dropship products from suppliers around the world. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a Spocket account and setting up your store. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Spocket account. Go to the Spocket website and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up with your email address or your Facebook account. Once you've signed up, you'll need to verify your email address. Step 2. Connect your store. Spocket integrates with a number of e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix. Once you've connected your store, you'll be able to start adding products to your catalog. Step 3. Add products to your catalog. There are two ways to add products to your catalog. You can search for products on Spocket's marketplace. You can import products from a CSV file. Once you've added products to your catalog, you can customize them by adding your own descriptions, images, and pricing. Step 4. Set up your shipping and payment options. Spocket offers a variety of shipping and payment options. You can choose the shipping options that you want to offer to your customers, and you can also set up your payment processing account. Step 5. Launch your store. Once you've set up your store, you're ready to start selling products. Additional tips. Before you launch your store, make sure that you have a good understanding of the dropshipping business model. Do your research to find the right products to sell. Make sure that your store is well-designed and easy to navigate. Promote your store on social media and other online channels. Creating a Spocket account is a great way to start your own online store. By following the steps in this video, you can be up and running in no time. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.